Hello and welcome to Ultimate Manager. My name is Jarl Rosenlykke and I'm going to give you a quick tour in how to create your team. If we start by looking at a few rules we need to apply to. We have a total budget of 100 millions. We can maximum buy 4 players from each club. We need to select 10 field players, 1 goalie, and last we need to select a captain. Let's start by buying a player. I want to buy Robin van Persie and I click on his name. I see that this opens a bio tab to the right and I can see that the buy buttons appear. I click it and I see that he is now on my pitch. If I want to sell him, I can do a hover and click on the bin. Alternatively, I can sell him straight from the bio. However, this time I want to select him as my captain. I do this by clicking Set Captain. I now see a star appear and the same goes for the pitch. Great. Now, for the rest of the players, I want to go into fixtures. I want to spot top teams that are meeting bottom teams. It's a great overview to buy players. I see that Tottenham Reading might be a good match, Swansea Stoke, Liverpool Sunderland, and Manchester United against Wigan. Let me buy another Manchester United player. I do this by clicking Manchester United, and now we see that I only displayed Manchester United players. Now I want Rafael, the right back, a defensive player. So what I do is that I go to the pitch and I click. Now it sorts so I only see defensive players. I now buy Rafael the fast way by clicking the green icon next to him. There he is. Great. Let's see. Rivals Man City. I'll find a defensive player. No, let me see. Midfielder. I want Ravi Garcia, as he's fairly cheap, and for the attacking spot I'm imagining Sego will be a good fit. Swansea have had a great season, and I'm interested in their newborn star, Michu. I'll also take Wayne Routledge, and for the defensive position I'm imagining that Ben Davies will be a good fit. The last attacking position I imagine will go to Aston Villa's Belgian player, Benteke. Now, Liverpool. Raheem Sterling have had a fairly good season and I want him on my team. The same can be said about the young defender Andre Wisdom. Great, all my 10 field players are now set and I only need 1 goalie. I want to buy Reine, but I can see that at 9 million that's simply not possible. I only have 8.5 left. So what I'm gonna do is, to get an overview of who I can purchase, is to select all clubs and then make sure I've selected the goalies. Now I click the button only players I can afford. This sorts all the goalkeepers that I can afford right now. So Tim Howard seems like the best buy from this list and I click and buy him. Great. I've now set up my team, I apply to all rules, and Save My Team button now appears. I click it to save my team. The final step, I need to give my team a name. I'll call him Carl Toons, and now I simply have to register as a user. I could do this by either use Facebook, really simple, it's a 2-step, or I could use register with email. Thank you for watching and good luck with the game.